Welcome back, I'm George, and in this video, I'm going to help you solve a very common issue, which is that your Android phone doesn't turn on. The display doesn't work, it doesn't show anything, so you can't really use or interact with your device. More specifically, I'm bringing 3 different potential solutions for this issue. That being said, let's begin with the first one. The first reason why your phone may not be turning on is because your display is simply blocked, which means your phone is actually turned on and it theoretically works just fine, but the display is not working, so you don't really see anything on the phone. So what you have to do here is you want to force reboot your device. And for that, you want to press the power button and the volume down button on the right side of the device for 10 seconds, by the way. So let's do it right here so you can see how it works. Power button and volume down in 3, 2, 1. There it is. As you can see, it is automatically going to bring up the turn off menu, which you won't see because your display is not turning on. But if you keep them pressed, the phone is automatically going to turn off and turn on again. In most cases, this reboot should solve your display issue, and you should see all of these things that I'm showing right now, so your display should be back on with no issues. But some other times, unfortunately, the display will still be turned off and you won't see anything on your phone. In this case, you will have to try with the second method on the list. For this, you are going to need a computer, so the cable has to be connected to a computer device. It can be connected to the wall, and then perform a rather tricky set of keybinds because we have to access the security reboot mode. So what we want to do is we want to theoretically reset the device again, which is power button and volume down, which is what we did earlier, for 7 seconds, and then we want to switch from volume down to volume up without releasing the power button. I'm going to do it now so you can see more or less how it works. 7 seconds, power button and volume down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then go from power button to volume up until we see the recovery boot mode. We just hold both buttons pressed until we see the recovery. There it is, the recovery boot mode. This is basically the BIOS for Android phones. Here we can do a range of different things. We can reboot the device, we can erase all the data, we can do a bunch of things. Ideally, we just want to hard reboot the device. Then just tap on Reboot System Now, tap on the power button to activate that menu, and your phone should theoretically reboot and show things on the display just fine. But if that didn't work either, you will have to try with the third method, which also requires a USB cable connected to your computer. Here, what you want to do is to connect your phone to the charger and wait for 30 minutes. This is because a lot of times your phone has such little battery life that it, for security measures, doesn't really show anything on the display, even if you connect it to the wall. At first, you may think your phone is broken because it's not showing anything on the display, but if you wait for 30 minutes and then you try turning on the phone, maybe you'll see that it actually turns on just fine. And then, as I said, unfortunately, if this didn't work, then it is 100% a hardware issue, and there's nothing you can do besides changing the display.